How to buy and sell NFT in 2022. NFTs are rising in popularity, and the burning question, how to buy an NFT, is baffling everyone today. And so is the question how to sell an NFT. This perfect guide will answer those questions in brief. Step-by-step instructions on how to buy an NFT. What marketplace do you mean to utilize? Which cryptographic money will be expected to finance your crypto wallet and make the buy? Are the NFTs you might want to purchase just accessible at a specific time? Instructions to create NFT art. What might be said about the individuals who are uninterested in figuring out how to buy an NFT and on second thought need to make their own? Making a piece of NFT work of art is genuinely direct and doesn't need inside and out information on the crypto business. It is better suited to get your knowledge cap on by following this guide that answers the question, what is an NFT? The NFT market is skyrocketing as it increased by a whopping 18,000% in a year. Step-by-step instructions to sell NFTs. Selling NFTs isn't only for digital makers. A few authorities sell from their assortment of NFTs. Assuming that you have recently bought an NFT from a maker or one more authority on a marketplace, you can list those available to be bought too. Selling an NFT you buy. When to sell an NFT. Selling NFTs isn't income sans work. Stamping and afterward selling your digital work will cause Ethereum organization and marketplace expenses, and exchanging NFTs can be dubious given the instability of this youthful development. In any case, assuming you're a maker searching for another outlet to develop your business, this domain of the crypto world merits investigating, as it can open new entryways for adapting your abilities. So, this is how you buy an NFT and sell it globally. The world of NFT is pretty huge, and once you get into it, you'll find all the more interesting things. And this is just the beginning. NFT will take the future, that's for sure. How to